Hello there. Welcome back. Today I'm working on a commission piece. This bunny pillow. I was requested to make one to go in a beautiful living room. So I worked with the client and came up with this design. So I'm gonna take you into the studio and walk you through the process. This is the planning of the design. The pillow was going to be a 12 by 12. I needed to create a background of light blue, so I welt felted it to create the background. And then I took that and laid out the design and started the needle felting process. And the rest of the video is going to show you that process. If you stay tuned until the end, you get to see me rip the bunny's face off and redo it. She commissioned this piece off of another piece that I had created, so this bunny was just looking a little too cartoonish for me, and I decided that I wanted to create one more like what she requested. So stay tuned, you'll get to see that. Let me know in the comments which one you prefer. This little guy, which I actually create different eyes for, and then I totally rip his face off and create a different one. So anyways, tell me in the comments which one you prefer. If I did the right thing or the wrong thing. Sometimes we just second guess ourselves and don't know, but I like how it turned out, and she really likes it. So I really did like the lashes I did here, but in the end I decided to redo the face. So if you're sensitive, look away. But just like that, the new bunny appears, and I think she's really sweet. Let me know in the comments which one you like. I was asked to sign the piece, so I did a little bit of needle pointing, and it wasn't great. But this was a commission piece, and you can see here I worked with Janice to create a pillow for her wooden chair in her beautiful living room, and I ship it out to her on Monday. So if you have any special requests for design, contact me on my website at janlakey.com. Until then, I'll see you next time.